Hello again, folks. Today's project is going to be a combination painted new door and painted cabinets. These doors are not going to be a vinyl wrap. This customer decided to select a special color to match what they have here. Now, if I look over here to this one particular door, it's going to be a door that looks something like this. I'm going to put this on the floor. It's a combination MDF center panel with a solid outside perimeter. And then I flip it over, it's going to look like this, but in the color that you see in the background. So as I pan around here, these doors here on the fridge side are going to be replaced. And then along here, I'm going to replace these doors. Now there are a couple little imperfections in these cabinets. As you see a little closer here, I'll close in here a little closer. This line right here is going to be gone because there's one cabinet that is installed a little bit further back than the other one. Just on the other side here, same effect. There's one spot here that's a little deeper than the other. And then this customer wanted to go with brand new soft close drawers. So all these drawers right now are your standard drawer box with a standard drawer track that just slides like this. Okay, well, the new soft close drawers, if you've been watching our videos, are going to be installed here. Along on to the other side, we're going to install two rollouts right into this cabinet here. And to the right of the stove, these doors too will be replaced. So if you come back and watch us again on the second video, you'll see what this kitchen is going to look like. Again, thank you for watching.